Welcome back, YouTube. Thanks for checking out another Fat Guy Builds episode. Because I'm fat, we got some side steps we're going to put on this 1500 Ram. And I'm going to take you step by step and do a review on how good they are and if they bend or flex or they're garbage. We'll find out right now. Let's go. This is what you get in the box. You get 6 mounts, 3 for each side, 2 side steps, and then all the hardware. We're going to do the driver's side in this video, and the passenger side will be obviously the same exact steps. So you have these mounts here, and you have 3 sets of them. Here's another one here, and then towards the back, here's another one. So here's a bracket. These flanges touch the vehicle. You're going to need 2 of these silver hardware. The silver ones go through the top here. Then you're going to need 2 of these gold ones. And then these go through like so. The silver bolts on the top, you'll put a washer. Then it'll go through the plate into the threaded key inserts that are in the body here. So you can see the gold ones will go through the back, through the bracket, through the pinch weld here. On the gold ones that come out the side of the vehicle, you're going to put a washer and a nut. You're going to tighten these 2 down first, get those nice and snug, then we're going to tighten these gold ones. Alright, so we put in the other 2, there and there. So this style is a lot better. The factory ones, I guess, were only mounted, or there's some models that are only mounted on the back, and this one mounts to the pinch weld. So really these will last forever unless you do some crazy stuff. But the other one, you can rip out the back key inserts and then have a bad day and have no way to mount it, and then have to pay some welding guy to fix your truck. So yeah, get one with the 2 mounts. Since the front of this bracket has a cutout, what you're going to do is remove the back ones all the way out, loosen these just enough to where you can slide the step onto the bracket all the way down. Then once you have them slid on, you grab your back bolts. You have to slide the little nut through here and then put them in and tighten them. Go back and forth when you tighten them. I put where the washer is at the edge of the bracket here, so we have enough room here to put your foot. Obviously you push it in farther, it's going to be in farther, but you won't really be able to put your whole foot on it. So if you bring it out like this, you can put your whole foot on it and jump in. But if you don't like it, obviously it's just 6 bolts. Loosen them, tap it however you want, and that's all you got to do. Now we're going to test the stability and rigidity of these steps. Go ahead, our lovely assistant. Let's see what happens. Does it flex? It doesn't flex! We won! Here's a quick look at it in the position that I put it. Here's a shot in the sun, just in case we couldn't see good in the shop. I have a rat on my property. Hopefully this video saved you a whole bunch of money. You know, paying some kid that dropped out of high school to put your steps on for like $200 plus the cost of the steps. So just go on Amazon with the link below, get yourself these steps, watch my video, buy a couple tools for $5, put them on yourself, and you'll have a nice day. It'll look good. Hopefully you won't sweat because you're not fat like me. And until next time, wrench on.